Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into United Chase credit card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.united.chase.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website of Chase. To log in and access your United Chase credit card, go ahead and enter your credentials for your Chase bank account in the right hand side of the screen. Start off with your username and in the password text field, type in your password. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, click on the Forgot Username/Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. If you're not enrolled into online banking yet for Chase, you can click on Not Enrolled, Sign Up Now link and follow through the on-screen prompts. After filling in your details for your Chase online banking account, click on the Sign In button and you'll be able to get access to your United Chase credit card online. That's how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.